What's up, divas? So today I decided to change up the hair and go pink. And today is also Memorial Day. It's Monday, and I think I want to get a Pina Colada. But I'm not gonna go to a restaurant to get the Pina Colada. I am actually going to make the Pina Colada myself. I think I found a place where I can actually get the stuff that I need for it. So that's where I'm headed right now, and we're doing a cookout, and who knows, we may end up going back down to the beach. I don't know, we'll see, but come along with me. All right, I found a corner store that sells at least one of the ingredients that I use for my Pina Coladas. So I use this thing called Coco Rico coconut syrup, and a corner store happened to have it. Publix didn't have it. The liquor stores didn't have it. There was no store that had it but this one. This is it. This is the must-have ingredient for a Pina Colada. Okay, what on earth is that? It says Bootlegger. There's something called Bootlegger. Oh my God. Sorry. I just broke some wine. Oh my God. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna have to pay for another one that fell down. I guess the store person is pissed off. He is not friendly at all. Okay, fine. I dropped the bottle of whatever the hell that is, Bootleggers. I still don't even know what the hell it is. But anyhow, the guy he has such a shitty attitude. I'm not going back to that store. So now I got to figure out where I can go get the Coco Rico coconut syrup from next time I need it again, because I don't like him. I can't stand him. Okay, I know I said I only wanted, I said I wanted one. I said give me one. I didn't mean just give me one.
You said give me one.
Give me a little bit more than one, my God. Do I have one? Give me.
N. E. That spells one.
Two?
I gave you three.
Okay, I'm going in this liquor store. I hope I don't break nothing in here. I'm already knocking down stuff. Why can't I get in the store? Maybe I should get one of these baskets. No. Okay, I'm just gonna come in here just to get the rum. Hi, how you doing? At least he's kind of friendly, unlike that other guy. I mean, I can understand he's working on Memorial Day. In that little hole that he was in. What am I getting? What am I getting? What am I getting? I need rum. Rum, that's Bacardi, but that's white. I want the dark. I'm looking for dark rum. I'm looking for dark rum for Pina Colada.
Which one then?
Probably.
So for rum, you gonna...
No, I'm making it from scratch. So I need dark rum, and I'm looking for Bacardi. That's what I want.
Go there. You further down.
Where's the bar?
To the left.
To the left.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, over here. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So which one am I gonna get? I really don't need like a huge bottle like this. Okay. This is Bacardi Gold. Look, I'm not trying to drink like crazy. I'm not trying to chug it down. But this looks like, I guess what I'm going to be getting. $13.99. All right, well, I'm going to get this. All right, Ty.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Okay. I'm almost out of here. I didn't break anything. Okay, I promised Quincy I wouldn't go into the dollar store if he gave me a few of his chips. I don't know why he's so selfish with the chips. I'm the one that paid for them.
You're a vodka. Well, no, you're not a vodka. I mean, I don't dick.
Damn, what was wrong with me?
I don't know.
You know what? I'm having fun. Leave me alone. What is that? That's me having fun. You try it. All right, so now I'm gonna get some pineapple juice and some pineapples from the grocery store because Pina Colada should have some pineapples in it. And I'll just buy the pineapple juice as a just in case I need pineapple juice, but I probably don't. I think I can just pretty much get away with the pineapples and the juice that's from the pineapples. Okay, I'm not trying to stand here long. Where will I find this stuff? Canned fruit. Okay, so pineapples, I'm gonna go with this. Should I go with the chunks or the slices? I'm gonna get 2 of each. So, chunk and slice. All right, now I need pineapple juice. Would pineapple juice be around here? A can of pineapple juice. is all I need. A can of pineapple juice. Probably don't even need that, really. There it is. Okay. I'll get some pineapple juice. Okay, now, if you're wondering why I'm getting so much, it's not just one serving and it's not a lot of people who's coming. I don't think anybody really is coming by our house. But I do want to have enough. I do want to have enough so that until I'm able to find a place that actually sells the Coco Rico coconut syrup, because I do not want to go back to that same place that I went to earlier for the Coco Rico coconut syrup. In fact, let me look over here and see if they have it. Well, what do you know? They actually have it here. Wow, it's looks like it's $3.99 here. Okay, so you can find this stuff in the section that sells like all of these pre-mixed drink mixes. Okay, where it says like barware or drink mixes. Okay, Mister just told me that the food was ready. Let's see what we got. Okay, I got some here. Oh my, we got ribs and sausages. And it looks like the corn is at the bottom. Ooh. What's this? Oh, look at that bird. That bird is brown. Wow, that looks real good. Look like you put some kind of glaze on it. I wonder what it tastes like. It smells good. All right, guys, so here is how I make my pina coladas. And they taste really good. No pre-bar mix, none of that nonsense. Once you have this, you will not want a pre-bar mixed pina colada. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a Coco Lopez cream of coconut, I guess it's coconut syrup. So I'll start with that. Now hopefully it's not old coming from that stupid store that I bought it from, but it's really thick on the top. But let me get a spoon so that you can see. When you wait a minute. It should be oily on the bottom. Why isn't it? Probably because it's old from him. A jerk. Okay, normally a coconut oil will come out, so I'm a little concerned that this has solidified too much. I don't know if it's old. I gotta get my glasses so that I can see what the expiration date is on it, because I did buy this from a corner store. And normally at the bottom, you'll see an oil. This is just nothing but like lard, basically. But I hardly even smell coconut. I'm gonna be so angry. I'm gonna be so angry if this does not give me what I'm looking for. Okay, the coconut, ooh. The oil is all the way at the bottom. And it doesn't even look the same. This is probably, I hope this isn't old. He said that store looks like a place that'll have old stuff. So if you can get this from an actual grocery store, get it from a grocery store and not a corner store. It's just that I did not know where else to get it because I had been looking and hadn't found it. But I did see it in Winn-Dixie, so. Okay, the next thing, I like to use pineapples. You can use the ones that are diced or sliced, whichever. Not diced, but chunks. I'm gonna use a little of the juice from it as well. Look at this, this is ridiculous. I like it to have a nice pineapple taste to it. Now I don't really measure anything out. I just taste it, and depending on what it is that I feel I need, I will. Now, let's see, the next thing I'm gonna need is my Bacardi rum, dark. Now, once again, oh, wait a minute. I am making it for the kiddos, so I'm gonna have to wait. I'll wait. I'll make that first. I'll make his first, and then I'll make ours after. So this one's a virgin. Okay, and then we need our ice. Okay, a cup should be about enough. I didn't measure this either. But if you put too much ice, okay, if you put too much ice, it's gonna be too, no, it won't be thick, it'll just be like too watery. Okay, it already looks kind of loose. I don't know, I might have to put a little bit more ice. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit more of this. In fact, let's just do one. I don't know, I have a feeling his stuff is not that fresh. That might be too much, actually. Do I need more ice? I need to taste it.
It's sitting on my shoulders.
I need to taste good. Okay, now that I got all the youngins out the way, or the youngin out the way, then now I can put some alcohol in this. So, back to what I was saying. I was going to use the Bacardi rum. Let's see. I think I'm going to use the counting method. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be good. Okay. I think it needs more ice. It's kind of loose. I'm going through a lot for this. And let's put just a little bit more of this in here. 1, 2. I forgot actual pineapple. So like if you really wanted to put a little garnish on it, you put the garnish and the umbrella, but I don't have time for all that. Okay, so I got my Pina Colada made and let's see how it tastes. It is good. It is good. Now I'm debating, should I put a floater on it? I think I should. All right, I won't go too heavy with the floater and ruin it. So I'll just put maybe a little of that there. Okay. Sometimes you can ruin it. And it didn't stay on top. I wanted it to kind of be on top. Well, I would have made it go to the bottom anyway. Okay, now I can really taste it now. This is good. I did a good job. I did.